How to fix the not enough memory to complete this operation error in Windows 11. Getting the frustrating not enough memory to complete this operation error in Windows 11 can halt your workflow even when you appear to have sufficient RAM. In this video, we'll show you 5 critical fixes to get your PC running smoothly again. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Identifying the causes of the not enough memory error. This error usually stems from misconfigured virtual memory, Windows desktop heap size limits, 32-bit application constraints, or underlying system corruption. Before attempting fixes, ensure you have administrator privileges and back up your system and registry. Also, close unused programs and note if the error is system-wide or app-specific. Addressing these prerequisites ensures you can apply the solutions effectively and safely. Core fixes: adjusting virtual memory and registry heap. Our first fix is adjusting virtual memory, also known as the paging file. First, go to Advanced System Settings, then select Performance Settings and click Virtual Memory. From there, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size and set a custom size. Initial should be 1.5 times your installed RAM, and maximum should be 3 times your RAM, both in megabytes. For advanced environments like RDP sessions, you may need to modify the desktop heap size in the Windows Registry. Navigate to the Shared Section value and cautiously increase the third value, Non-Interactive Desktop Heap, default 768, to 1024 or 2048. Always back up the registry first. System health checks and cleanup. Underlying system file corruption can easily cause memory issues. Here are the steps to address system file issues and clean temporary files. System health checks. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Next, run sfc/scan now. Once it finishes, run dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Finally, after both scans complete, restart your computer. Cleanup. First, use disk cleanup, clean mgr, to delete temporary files. Consider using shell xview to clean shell extensions that may cause Explorer errors. Additionally, temporary files can cause Explorer errors, so use disk cleanup, clean mgr, and consider shell xview to clean shell extensions. Diagnosing memory leaks and 32-bit application limits. A less obvious cause is the use of legacy 32-bit applications, which have strict memory limitations. Check the Details tab in Task Manager for any 32-bit labels and look for a 64-bit alternative if available. For persistent issues, use Windows' built-in diagnostic tools. Event Viewer, Event VWR, can log memory-related errors, including event IDs 2004, 2019, or 2020. You can also use Resource Monitor, resmon.exe, to actively track usage or run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, mdschedge.exe, for hardware issues. These tools are key to identifying third-party memory leaks. Implementing these 5 solutions ensures your high memory and multitasking workflows remain uninterrupted. Say goodbye to crashes and hello to restored performance by optimizing your system's memory management from the ground up. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to fix the not enough memory to complete this operation error in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.